Hey guys, it is welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince Jack. Say hello. Paul, say hello. We are here with Sully. Sully. We're having a dog fight right now. Sully, come here. Come here, Sully. Say hello to camera. Say hello to camera. Sully. Sully's so cute. Sully, say hello to the camera. Hey, put him down, pull him down. Trevor, fight, dog fight. Fight. No. Oh no.
Oh God.
It's happening again. Liv, they're just playing around. Put them down. Oh no, it's happening again. Go, Sully, fight back. Sully, fight back. Fight back. Fight back. What? Everybody run from the murderer! We are playing the game Murder Run.
Did you get that on video when they're begging?
Yeah. We are playing Murder Run. Jack is the murderer. Everyone.
Yes.
Jack, count to 5. Jack,
Okay.
count to 5 and then you have to come find us and try to murder us. You ready? Yes. Do it. Come on.
No.
Come on. Do it for the vines.
Do it for the vine.
All right. Jack's it.
No, I didn't.
Come on.
Cole can do it then. It says
Okay.
that.
Come on, Cole. Please do it.
No. Nobody look over here. I'm just stripping.
Fine. I'll be the murderer.
Here, I'll hold the camera.
No. Murderer gets camera.
Viewer discretion is advised. Here, I will.
No. All right. I'm counting. I'm counting to 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here I come.
Dude, wait.
Shing. You're out. Can't time on this game. Shing. You're out. We will be back when they are done having a break. In the meanwhile, doggy fight.
Video.
Spin.